morning students. Welcome to Adas Vidyalaya Max online class. We will see first chapter set language. What is set? Definition of set. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. What is object? Well-defined objects. The object of a set are called elements or members of the set. Here, well-defined collection of objects means that given a specific object, it must be possible for us to decide whether the object is an element of the given collection or not. That is, well-defined collection of object means specific object. It must be possible for us. That is a well-defined collection. Okay. Now we'll see some example for set. The first one is the collection of all books in a district central library. Second one, the collection of all colors in a rainbow. Third one, the collection of prime numbers. Here, district central library, all colors in a rainbow, prime numbers are all well-defined objects. Therefore, above three are the set. Another example, which of the following are set? Question number 1, collection of natural number. Question number 2, collection of English alphabets. Question number 3, collection of good student in a class. Fourth one, collection of state in our country. Fifth one, collection of beautiful flowers in a garden. We see that statements 1, 2 and 4 are well defined. What is statement 1? Collection of natural numbers. Second one, that is collection of English alphabets. Fourth one, the collection of state in our country. Here natural number, English alphabets, state in our country, all are well defined. Therefore, they are sets. 1, 2 and 4 are set. Whereas 3 and 5 are not well defined because the words good and beautiful are difficult to agree on. Good and beautiful are difficult to agree on. Therefore, 3 and 5 are not well defined. Because I might consider a student be good and you may not. That's all. Next one, I might consider the jasmine is the beautiful flower, but you may not. Therefore, 3 and 5 are not sets. Okay. How to write sets? Notation. A set is usually denoted by capital letters of the English alphabets. A, B, P, Q, X, Y, etc. Any one variable we put the set name. Second one, the elements of a set is written within curly brackets. We use only curly bracket. Now we will see belongs to, not belongs to. If X is an element of a set A or X belongs to A, then we write X is belongs to A. That symbol is belongs to. Second one is not belongs to. If X is not an element of a set A, element of A means that is belongs to, not an element of a set A, or X does not belongs to A, then we write x, the symbol is does not belongs to A. So we write x does not belongs to A. For example, for belongs to, not belongs to, we consider the set A equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Then 2 is an element of A. Therefore, we write 2 belongs to A. Second one, 5 is an element of A. Therefore, we write 5 belongs to A. Third one, we take value of 6. For example, we take value of 6. Listen, students, 6 is an element of A? No. Therefore, 6 is not an element of A. We write 6 is does not belongs to A. Any doubt? Belongs to or does not belongs to? Belongs to means is an element of that set. Not belongs to means not an element of that set. That's all. Okay. Now go to example sums. First example sum. Consider the set A equal to Asbin, Murli Vijay, Vijay Sankar, Badrinath. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to. The first question is Murli Vijay dash A. Second question is Asbin dash A. Third one is Badrinath dash A. Fourth one Ganguly dash A. Fifth one Tendulkar dash A. Solution. Students, see the first question. Murli Vijay is an element of A. Yes, is an element of A. Therefore, Murli Vijay belongs to A. Second question, Asbin is an element of A. Yes, very good. Asbin is an element of A. Therefore, Asbin belongs to A. Third question, Badrinath is an element of A. Therefore, Badrinath belongs to A. Students, fourth question, Ganguly is an element of A. See the question. Yes, not an element of A. Therefore, Ganguly does not belongs to A. Fifth one, Tendulkar is an element of A. See the question. No. Therefore, Tendulkar does not belongs to A. Okay. Next, representation of a set. We have three type of representation of set. First one, descriptive form. Second one, set builder form or rule form. Third one, roster form or tabular form. First type, the descriptive form. In descriptive form, a set is described in words. Described in words. For example, first one, the set of all vowels in English alphabets. Second one, the set of whole numbers. That's all. So, descriptive form is described in words, the set of all, that is words, descriptive type. Okay. Second one, set builder form or rule form. Now use one symbol, that is such that symbol. In set builder form, all the elements are described by a rule. For example, first one, A equal to x such that x. That symbol is such that. X such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. Second one, B that equal to set of x. That's also such that symbol. Therefore, x such that x is a whole number. That is described by a rule. That is second type. Third one, roster form or tabular form. A set can be described by listing all the elements of the set. For example, the vowels is A, E, I, O, U. That is the vowels. That is the list of the elements. Second one is whole number, means starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, for example, first one is A equal to A, E, I, O, U. Second one, B equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, third one is list the all elements of the set. That is roster form or tabular form. Okay, can you understand? Okay. Example 1.2. Write the set of letters of the following words in roster form. We write the roster form. Okay. First question is assessment. Second question is principal. Solution. Now we have to write the letters of the given word. If we have repeated letters, then we have to write it once. Listen, we have repeated letters, then we have to write it once. First we take assessment. The roster form is x equal to, write first letter A, set of A, comma, students, here S is repeated 4 times. Therefore, we have write it once, comma S, and E have repeated 2 times. Therefore, we write once, comma E. Next letter M, comma N, comma T. Therefore, the roster form is x equal to A, comma S, comma E, comma M, comma N, comma T. That's all. Okay. Second one is principal. Therefore, y equal to second set name. We take y. Therefore, y equal to first letter P, comma R, comma I. Listen, I have repeated 2 times. Okay. Therefore, we write only one time. I, comma N, comma C, comma P. We have 2 times. Therefore, write once. Already we wrote. Next one is A, comma L. Therefore, the roster form is y equal to P, comma R, comma I, comma N, comma C, comma A, comma L. That's all. Can you understand? Exercise 1.1. First question. Which of the following are sets? First subdivision. The collection of prime number up to 100. Second one, the collection of rich people in India. Third one, the collection of all rivers in India. Fourth one, the collection of good hockey players. First question, the collection of prime numbers up to 100. Solution. The above statement is well defined. The set will contain prime numbers, means divided by 1 and itself, that is called prime numbers. Therefore, the prime numbers up to 100, 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. 97, that is well defined objects. Therefore, hence it is a set. Second, the collection of rich people in India. Solution. The rich people in India, that is not well defined, because that is difficult to agree on. Therefore, the set is not well defined. Hence, it is not a set. Third one, the collection of all rivers in India. Solution. All rivers in India, that is well defined. The statement is well defined. Hence, it is a set. Fourth one, the collection of good hockey players. Solution: good hockey players is difficult to agree on. Therefore, good hockey players is not well defined. The statement is not well defined. Therefore, hence it is not a set. Second question, list the set of letters of the following words in roster form. First one India, second one parallelogram, third one Mississippi, fourth one Czechoslovakia. Solution: now we have to write the letters of the given word. If we have repeated letters, then we have to write it once. The word repeated letters, write it once. Already we will see that. The first question is India. We take set name A, that equal to I. The roster form is I, comma N, comma D, comma A. Because I is repeated 2 times, therefore we write once. Therefore the roster form is A equal to I, comma N, comma D, comma A. Second word is parallelogram. The roster form is here B equal to P, comma A, comma R, comma L, comma E, comma O, comma G, comma M. Here A repeated 3 times, therefore write it once. L also repeated 3 times, we write once. R repeated 2 times, we write it once. Therefore the roster form is B equal to P, comma A, comma R, comma L, comma E, comma O, comma G, comma M. Third one Mississippi. The roster form is C equal to, now take set name C, equal to M, set of M, comma I. I have repeated 4 times, therefore we write once. Next S. S also have repeated 4 times, therefore we write once. S, comma P. P have 2 times, therefore we write once. Therefore the roster form C equal to set of M, comma I, comma S, comma P. Fourth one Czechoslovakia. Therefore the roster form is D equal to set of C, comma Z, comma E, comma H, comma O, comma S, comma L, comma V, comma A, comma K, comma I. Here C have repeated 2 times, therefore we write it once. And then O and A also repeated 2 times, therefore we have write once. The roster form D equal to C, comma Z, comma E, comma H, comma O, comma S, comma L, comma V, comma A, comma K, comma I. Can you understand, students? Thank you.